Hey fam! Welcome to another episode of Geek Mob. Today we will install Homebrew on our Mac machine. Before we install Homebrew, let us discuss a bit about what Homebrew is and why we need it. If you wish to install an application on your Mac machine, we usually open the App Store and install the application directly. However, not all applications and developer tools are available in App Store. For such applications, we have to either install the application directly from the internet or use a package manager. A package manager allows easy download, build, and installation of developer programs and libraries. If you are familiar with Linux-based operating systems, you already know that they come with a default package manager, like Ubuntu's, apps, or Red Hat Linux's, Yum. Similarly, Mac operating systems have different package managers available in the market, like Think, which is based on Ubuntu's apt package manager, MacPorts, which generally distributes source code that is compiled on installation, Homebrew, which is much more popular than MacPorts and Think. Unlike MacPorts, Homebrew distributes binaries that are precompiled per operating system, so the installation time is almost instant. The packages are sandboxed into its own seller, so you won't have any stray files all over your system. Homebrew requires Xcode command line tools. So let us first install the xcode-select. Open your Spotlight by clicking Command Space and search for Terminal. In the Terminal window, execute xcode-select space install. Press Enter. If xcode-select is already installed, you will get an error message on the terminal window. If not, you will receive a pop-up prompting for installation. Click on Install and accept terms and conditions. Let us wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation has been completed, click on the Done button. We are now ready to install Homebrew. Open your favorite browser and navigate to brew.sh. Here you will see the command to install Homebrew. Let us copy the command. Open the terminal window. Paste the command we have copied. Press Enter. If prompted, provide the admin password for your machine. You may get another prompt to abort or continue with the installation. Press Enter to proceed. Homebrew is being installed now. Once the installation is completed, you will see instructions for the next steps as shown here. These commands are required to add Homebrew to our path environment variable. The first command here is optional as it adds an information node on the .z profile file. The remaining two commands are mandatory to set. Path, man path, for Homebrew. Let us execute the second command now. Then the third one. Once done, we can ensure that the path variables are set properly by executing brew space help. Press Enter. This will provide instructions on brew commands, troubleshooting steps. We will explain these in detail in upcoming sessions when we install applications using brew. You may update the brew libraries at any time by executing brew space update. Press Enter. Congratulations! You have now successfully installed Homebrew on your Mac machine. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.